Hey everyone, I'm James McIlwee, and as you can see, this is the biggest snow we've had in 5 years. It's really unbelievable because we haven't had this much snow in 5 years, and you can see I've been taking a walk because you can see my footprints there, and we'll need to shovel it out tomorrow morning. Yeah, this is and an ATV just went that way. This is on Monday evening. Yep, we'll have to get the pathway shoveled out and the driveway shoveled out. Yeah, and if you come over here, this is out the side of the house. Yeah. I'm not sure that this will be the kind of snow that you can sled in, because we've had a little sleet in the middle, so I don't know. Yeah. So yeah, that's my video to show you all the big snow we've had in 5 years. I hope you all like this video. Please rate, leave a comment, and subscribe to my channel. And please be sure to check out my channel for more videos. You can make it a favorite if you want, and share with friends. And ring the bell if you want to get notified on what's new on my channel. And thanks for watching, and I'll see you later. Take care.